Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to solve problem number exercise number 25. Sundar and Suresh are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet as on 1st January 2017 was as follows. Capital accounts Sundar 30,000, Suresh 20,000, creditors 50,000, general reserve 10,000, workman compensation fund 15,000. Building 40,000, furniture 13,000, stock 25,000, debtors 15,000, bills receivable 14,000, bank 18,000. Total 1,25,000, 1,25,000. They decided to admit Sukumar into partnership for 1/4 share in his profit on the following terms. Sukumar has to bring 30,000 as capital. He is bringing capital. Okay. His share of goodwill valued at rupees 5,000 rupees. Value of goodwill is 5,000. He could not bring cash towards goodwill, but he is not bringing cash towards, so he wants to write off the goodwill. Then that the stock was valued 20,000. How much is the stock? 25,000. So decrease in the value of asset. Then furniture depreciated by 2,000. So furniture value 13,000. There is a depreciation of 2,000. This is also decrease in the value of asset. Value of building depreciated by 20,000. Building order value 40,000. So 20% means 4,000. For 40,000, 8,000. 8,000 is the depreciation for 20,000 to 8,000. Okay. Prepare necessary ledger account and balance sheet after admission. So we want to prepare revaluation account, capital account and balance sheet. Okay. So here there is no need to write the journal entry. Directly we can do the revaluation account. Okay. So I will listen on the board. See, first of all, we can prepare revaluation account. See, revaluation. First of all, decrease in the value of asset, stock 5,000 rupees given in the question. Furniture also 2,000 given in the question. Then building 20%. 20% of 40,000 is equal to 8,000. 40,000 into 20 by 100. 8,000. Okay. So there is no credit side. So we want to balance. Here only all debits are there. So we'll get this side balance. Okay. By Sundar capital account 2:1 is the ratio. Okay. Wants to 3:2. So we are divided into 3:2 ratio. So 15,000 into 3, 15,000 into 2 by 5. 3 by 5, 2 by 5. Okay. So revaluation loss. There is a journal entry. Sundar capital account, Suresh capital account to revaluation. Here. Now we want to go to capital account. Opening balance already given in the balance sheet 30,000, 20,000. By bank, new partner admitting partner, new partner Sukumar bringing 30,000 rupees. Okay, that's all over. Okay, then there is a goodwill of 5,000 rupees that should be write off. Okay, asset should be write off. So while creating goodwill 5,000, Sundar, Suresh. So 3:2 ratio divided. Okay, so this capital write off to Sundar to Suresh. Sukumar should give no. So Sukumar capital account. Okay, then revaluation loss. There Sundar capital, Suresh capital, 2 revaluation. Say 2 revaluation. Sorry, this is 2 revaluation. Total 15,000 rupees now. Okay, 15,000 rupees. Then workman general reserve transferred. 10,000 is the general reserve. 3:2 ratio they are transferred. Then workman compensation fund 15,000 is there. That should also be transferred to the old partners. So we are transfer all these accounts, balance sheet balances. We transferred it to capital account. Okay. Now we can transfer this. Find out the balance sheet, capital account balance. Now you can find out the balance of balance sheet. Then that can be transferred to This is 3:2. This is 15,000 into 3 by 5. These are 9,000. 2 by 2 3s are 6,000. Okay, this only transferred to here realization. Okay, then balance you got the balance carried down, then by balance brought down. Okay, this is the capital account balance. Now we want to prepare the balance sheet. So we want to prepare balance sheet also. Okay, I will show you balance sheet. Now you listen on the board. See, creditors given in the question 50,000. Capitals, capital account balance 39,000. Suresh 26,000. Sukumar 25,000. Then what about the building? 8,000 is the depreciation. So 40,000 minus 8,000, 32,000. Then furniture 13,000 minus 2,000. That is depreciation 11,000. Stock 25,000 minus 5,000, 20,000. Debtors as usual 15,000. Bills receivable 14,000 given in the question. Only cash at bank. See 18,000 cash account balance plus 30,000 Sukumar brought now by bank. That 30,000. So total 48,000. So these two sides are equal. If it is not equal, check that whether any cash is, for sometimes this 30,000 may not be entered. So that may be the mistake. So we can easily find out the mistake by adding these two sides totals. Okay. So this is the method of preparing balance sheet. Next we can do sum number 27. 27 also is a comprehensive question. 27, that is a (26th) question we can do now. 26th question. Now we listen in the question. See. The following is the balance sheet of James and Justina on 1/1/2017. Their share of profits and losses equal share. See, capital accounts James 40,000, Justina 50,000, creditors 35,000, reserve fund 15,000, building 70,000, stock 30,000, debtors 20,000, bank 15,000, prepaid insurance 5,000. Two sets 1,40,000. Then the adjustment. What are all the adjustments given? On the above data, Balan admitted partner with 1/5 share of future profits. Following are the terms and conditions for his admission. Balan brings 25,000 as capital. Then his share of goodwill 10,000. He brings cash. Cash. So he is bringing goodwill 10,000 rupees. Then assets are revalued. Building 80,000, debtors 18,000, stock 33,000. So building 80,000. What is the value of building? 70,000. Increase in the value of asset. Then stock 18,000. Actually stock is 30,000. There is a decrease in the value of asset. Then the last one is debtors. Stock also 33,000. Stock also increase in the value of asset. So debtors only decrease in the value of asset. Building and stock increase in the value of, that's all. So we can easily prepare revaluation account. Okay. Now you listen on the board. See, revaluation account. Only building and stock value increased, goes to this side. So debtors decreased 2,000. Then building 10,000, stock 3,000. That is the difference between the value given in the balance sheet and the value. See, building. There is a change, increase in the value of building 10,000, stock also 3,000. Debtors decrease in the value 2,000. So balance goes to revaluation account letter to James to Justin. So this 5,000 by revaluation in capital account. See, opening balance of capital 40,000, 50,000. That is given in the question in the balance sheet. Then by bank, new partner bringing, balance bringing 25,000. Then this value of goodwill also transferred to bank. So by bank 5,000, giving to old partners. Balance bringing 10,000 and equally shared to James and Justina. Then this balance 5,000. Then reserve fund is there in the balance sheet, liability side. 15,000 divided equally. So 7,500, 7,500. Okay. So this side there is no entry. So balance sheet and That is the balance sheet. Okay, this is a balance, closing balance 58,000, 68,000, 25,000. With this, we can prepare balance sheet also. Very simple now. Now you listen on the board. This is the balance sheet. See the balance sheet. Here creditors 35,000 given in the question. Then capital account balance is given here. Okay. Then building 10,000 increases, so 80,000. Debtors 2,000 minus decreased, so 18,000. Stock increased 33,000. 30,000 plus 3, 33,000. Prepaid insurance given in the balance sheet 5,000. Bank only there is change. Bank balance 15,000, 35,000. The new partner, that is Balan, bringing 35,000 now. Ten, 25,000 capital, then 10,000 is 35,000, 25,000 capital plus 10,000 goodwill. So that is this 35,000. Okay. So total 1,86,000. 1 lakh. This 15,000 given in the balance sheet bank. In the question you can see 15,000.